Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. All right, y'all, so as you can see, this is a totally different kind of video today. I'm in a different location, which is my bathroom, because I wanted to do a skincare, like my daily morning skincare routine. And I basically decided to do this because I know I'm going to be starting to upload makeup videos. So I at least wanted to have how I manage or maintenance my skin, a video on that first. So I have been using the same beauty products. I think I'm going on 3 years now. And it's from Meaningful Beauty. It is a line by Cindy Crawford. If you don't know who she is, she used to be a world-known supermodel. And she has this amazing beauty line that I actually saw when I was getting my nails done. There was an infomercial and, they went through, how all the products were made with the scientists and the effects of the products. And I was just like, I think it's time I try something different because I have been using Mary Kay for years, and I mean years. So that is one thing about me. Once I find something I like, I don't really alter or shift it too much. I might try a few other products here and there, but for the most part, I stick to what I know. I stick to what works. So just to give you some details about this Meaningful Beauty brand, they're pretty much an exclusive anti-aging skincare system that helps rejuvenate the skin and diminish the visible signs of aging. Yeah, all here for that because I am no longer a spring chicken and these signs of aging skin will creep up on you so fast. Like, I've always cared about my skin, but probably not as much as I should have, like in my teens and 20s. There were some things I know I could have done back then. You know what I mean? So I always tell the young girls, take care of your skin now, honey. So this is basically a 5-step process that I use. And then I'm gonna add like a couple bonus steps that I don't do every day, but I just kind of infuse them throughout the week. I may use them 2 to 3 times throughout the week. And I know so many people are like, God dog, 5 steps? I don't have time for 5 steps. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. It's really not. It takes me all of no more than 10 minutes to do my daily facial routine. So let's go ahead and dive into this 5-step process. So just for reference, I have already washed my hands, so I do not touch my face unless my hands are cleaned. So this is exactly how my skin looks and feels when I first wake up. I have super oily skin. I do have a similar nighttime routine. I just use a night cream. That's pretty much the only difference. All right, so I always start off by just dampening my face with a nice warm rag. This is kind of my way of just wakening up my skin, opening my pores, and I just pretty much take this warm rag and massage it all over my face. Not only does it get the blood circulating, but it feels absolutely amazing. All right, so step number 1 is to cleanse, and I'm going to be using this skin softening cleanser. And this is a non-irritating formula designed so that it won't strip your skin of essential oils. It's very creamy, it's non-foaming, and it sweeps away makeup and impurities. And I just squeeze a little generous or small to generous amount in my hand and just massage it all over my face in circular motions. Now you can apply this to a wet or dry face. I just personally prefer to wet or dampen my face before I apply it. Now you can either rinse it off with just some water, or I like to use a wet washcloth to use as like my exfoliator to remove the cleanser. But either way works. It's just a matter of preference. You may also notice that I have been somewhat cursed by family genes with a ton of moles on my face. Yeah, I think this is like heavy in my family on both sides, my mother and father. So I just kind of try to get around it as best as possible. Now for step 2, I'm gonna tone my skin. And this is not a meaningful beauty product, but of course this is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. It is fragrance free and it gently cleanses and conditions pores to maintain clear, smooth, and balanced skin without over drying. Now there is a rose water version of this that I have tried, and I did like use the entire bottle, but I realized this is what was making my skin burn. That rose water, yeah, I guess my skin didn't really like that one because my skin pretty much had a light burn every time I used it. So I'm glad I'm back to this original version. All right, so for step 3, I'm gonna revitalize my skin using the Ultra Lifting and Filling Treatment. This product restores the look of youth with this powerful dual action serum that helps visibly lift sagging skin while smoothing out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With most of the products I usually like dot my face in these 4 areas and just kind of work in sections, you know, just gently massaging it in circular motions on my skin. I make sure to put a lot of emphasis right under my eyes and in my smile lines because I have these ridiculous smile lines that like never go away. So I put a lot of focus on those areas to minimize any lines. Alright, so for step 4, I'm going to enhance the eye area using this eye enhancing serum. Again, I am fighting anti-aging, and this eye enhancing serum is freaking amazing. Like, I swear it just brightens my eye area. I use it every single day within this 5-step process, and it feels amazing. Right under the eye and right over my eyelids. All right, so for the 5th and final step, I'm going to protect my skin using this environmental protecting moisturizer. It has SP30 sunscreen, and it is a micro emulsion formula designed to help balance the moisture levels of all skin types while delivering a daily dose of anti-aging ingredients. I love the level of SPF that it has because even if you have a lot of melanin in your skin like I do, it's still super important to protect your skin from the sun. Now this concludes the daily 5-step process. However, these next 2 bonus steps are what I like to use maybe 2 to 3 times a week. And this first one is a lifting eye cream advanced formula, and it's formulated to combat puffiness, visible dark circles, and fine lines, where tired looking eyes feel tightened and lifted. right, so this final bonus step is the Skin Brightening Décolleté and Neck Treatment Broad Spectrum SPF 15. This extra silky formula helps to firm, moisturize, and bring life back to your skin in this often neglected area. That is facts, because I have neglected my neck area for so long, and now I'm paying more attention to it because I'm getting older. So if you are 25 and younger, pay close attention to this area now. Now this next step I didn't really include as a next step, but it is an absolute must that I moisturize these lips with some simple Vaseline. I'm not big on all the lip glosses and chapstick. Like, this Vaseline keeps my lip life together. I wear it all day long. I sleep in it. I put it on before I go to bed. I make sure my lips are nice and soft and moisturized. My husband thanks me. Well, y'all, my skin feels nice and rejuvenated and amazing, and I just love it. Like, it just feels like a breath of fresh air every day I go through this process. I love it. All right, guys, well, that was the 5-step process plus 2 additional steps that I use throughout the week. Let me know what you think about these products. I did not talk about the pricing. I will include all of the information down in the description box. And I only didn't talk about the pricing because it varies. It just varies on your needs and what you want to include in that first initial package. I personally pay, I think, $23 a month, and I'm able to rotate out 3 products every 3 months. And these products last. I mean, like, they last for a while. So sometimes I'll, double up and just make sure I might not even need anything. And I'll just double up on something I might be running out, So let me know what you think about them down in the comments below. And I thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.